Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zangi Muimi from codebuild.co.ke. In this video tutorial, I want to share with you a quick tip on how to import external files. External files such as PDF, PNG, JPEG, JPG files to ArchiCAD. Now please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are interested in learning ArchiCAD. I make ArchiCAD tutorials and share them on this channel. If you subscribe, you'll be able to receive notifications when I upload such videos. Now I hope you are ready for the quick tip, so let's get started. In a previous tutorial, I had explained how to import PDF drawings to ArchiCAD, and the formula was going to appear under File and selecting external content and place external drawing. Then what that does, it opens the Windows Explorer, and we can be able now to choose from all these files that we have here. Choose one of them. If we click OK, we can place the file here, and that was the formula that I had shown. There is a very quick one. Now if you open your Windows Explorer, which is this one here, mine is already open. Any type of file that you want to import to ArchiCAD. Let's say I want to import this PDF. I would select it and click on it and drag with my mouse, and then slowly place it on ArchiCAD. It will just update, and there you have it in very few seconds, your file. Now let's say I have a PDF that has more than one page, like this book that I have here. So I'll select it, drag and drop in ArchiCAD, and then it will, this is what it will display. Place PDF page, and it will ask you to select a page that you want to place. Now you have all these pages. If you know the page that you want to display, you just browse down here, select the page, then click on place, and that page, the exact page, will be placed on ArchiCAD. And that is how to do PDFs. It's the same thing if you have you have your reference drawing in a picture format. Either you have a JPEG, JPG, or a PNG. Like I have my logo in a PNG format, so just select the logo by clicking on it. Click on it with the mouse and drag to place it on ArchiCAD, like that, and it will update. So that's how to import external files to ArchiCAD. It was just a quick tip. I hope you've learned something, and please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It helps me to grow this community and to know whether I am making content that people love. And leave a comment in the comments section. Let me know what you want to learn next. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.